Hello, Math Maniacs. So today is Sunday. You get a free game today, I believe. I'm wearing my Santa hat to get myself into the Christmas spirit. And my trusty Canada, another outfit of mine that I have. Anyway, so today's game is quite easy to play, and I've seen it many times in many different versions. I first learned of it through a little book called Spooky Halloween Games. I'm not sure the author, but I will make sure that I cite that once I find my copy of that game. So essentially it's a roll and build kind of a game. So this week we've been working on doubles, and so I wanted my kids to roll and identify the double that they roll when they do roll a double. To make it a little fun, I called it Build an Elf. So a lot of my kids have Elf on the Shelf these days, so I thought, why not incorporate that? So simple whiteboard, 2 dice, and an Expo marker. That's all you need. Really simple. So you start off with the elf's body. I'll make it into an oval. And so the object of this game is to build your elf. Okay, so you would roll the dice. And when you get a double, I'm going to fidge this. When you get a double, which is 5 plus 5, what's 5 plus 5? 10. You got a double. That means you can add a body part. So I'll add the legs. And because doubles are doubles, you're adding the body part as a pair. Okay, so you roll again. Oh, you get another double. You get the arms. Oh, you rolled another double. You get the head. Oh, you roll another double. You get the eyes. And so on and so forth until you finally have an elf. Okay, that's not the best elf, but still, come on now. Anyway, so that's one way that you could play it. So another version of Build an Elf game would be for you to use 3 dice. Using the 3 dice and use any operation to equal a target number. So when I first originally played this game, it was called the Spider game, and Spider has 8 legs. So the target number is 8. So when you roll the dice, you have to equal 8. So you can use adding, subtracting, multiplication, division, and every time you got an 8 as an answer, you would give yourself a leg. So with the Build an Elf game, I don't know what target number you could be. Maybe it could be 6, or maybe it could be 8, which is the reindeer. How many reindeers Santa has, right? I don't know, but it could be any target number really. Okay, so you would just simply roll the dice and then try to equal that target number. And every time you do that, you would build your elf up. Okay? And for my young kids out there, so maybe kindergarten, maybe grade 1, what I might do is just build the elf with some actual elf pieces. And every time they roll, let's say, or they can recognize a specific number that you're looking for. I find that kids have a hard time subitizing 5. So I might roll my dice and have my kids, every time they roll a 5 and they can say it, then they can build up their elf. So this is a very simple game that you can modify depending on where your child is at. Hopefully the instructions that we will post with this video will be easy for you to follow. If not, please feel free to reach out to us and we will support your math mania journey. I hope you'll play this game this week. Bye.